When will Snapchat start paying? Hey guys, welcome to the Snapchat monetization guide. So the old Spotlight Rewards program on Snapchat ended on January 31st, 2025. If you submitted eligible snaps before the date, you would have received payment through Hyperwallet in February 2025. Since February 1st, 2025, Snapchat has used a single monetization program for both Stories and Spotlight. To be eligible for this program, you need 50,000 followers, at least 10 million views in a 28-day period, or the equivalent watch time, and 25 posts per month spread across 10 or more days. If you meet these requirements, Snapchat usually notifies you of your eligibility within 1 to 10 days after you post. Once approved, payments generally take 2 to 3 weeks to process and appear in your Hyperwallet account. However, some creators have reported longer processing times. So you'll only start earning money after you meet the new eligibility requirements and receive approval from Snapchat within the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.